using Instagram stories to raise product awareness. Hey there, everybody! Instagram posts are one of the best methods to deliver your branded content, but they're only half of what Instagram lets you do, because you can also create Instagram stories. If you're familiar with Instagram stories, they are slideshow-type posts that let you share content that looks and feels more interactive. Because Instagram stories are so engaging, you can use them to raise awareness about a product or topic easily. And in this video, we are going to show you how to create a branded story quickly. Getting started. One advantage of Instagram stories over regular posts is that they appear right on top of the timeline. This is an area that is readily accessible to users. It is horizontally scrollable and saves stories for 24 hours. This means that users are unlikely to miss your stories. To create an Instagram story, simply tap on the Your Story icon on the Stories bar on top of your Instagram timeline. Creating your story. Unlike a regular post, an Instagram story is simply media with no captions or optimizations, such as an image, video, or recording, to which you add cool-looking and interactive elements. The first thing you have to do is to pick your story format. The normal format allows you to take a picture, to record a video, or to select media from your gallery for your story on normal mode. The boomerang format allows you to record a video that loops. A boomerang story looks similar to a GIF, and it works great for product teasers or behind-the-scenes stuff. The layout format will let you add multiple images to a single story layout. You can select from different grids that include from 2 to 6 placements to create a collage. The super zoom format lets you record a segment that highlights a portion of your screen with a super zoom effect. The hands-free format allows you to record story videos without having to press the record button. And lastly, the create format will let you to freely add interactive elements to an image or video from your gallery, or to use other types of elements such as shoutouts, GIFs, story templates, polls, questions, donation boxes for nonprofits, countdowns, and quizzes. This is the format that we'll use for this example. So let's stay on this screen. You can use these elements to create crazy combinations that will keep your followers entertained and engaged. For this example, we're going to use a picture of a merchandising product we'll sell through our online store. And we are going to add some attention-grabbing elements such as a call to action using highlight text and an emoji. So we'll start by tapping on the gallery icon to locate and add the product image first. Once you add your image, you will be able to use the story editing tools, which include stickers, emojis, text, and more. Let's start by tapping on the text icon to add a caption as the call to action. Type your caption, select a color, then select a size and a font style. Then tap on Done. Now arrange the text on the screen. Let's now tap on the stickers icon to add a cool sticker. For this example, we are going to select a countdown sticker to show a countdown of the date when the product goes live on the store. Tap on Done when you're done customizing your sticker. Then resize it and fix its position on the screen. Bear in mind that stories can be messy, that they don't have to be consistent with your brand's aesthetics, that they only last for 24 hours, and that their objective is to create entertaining impact, so don't worry if they don't look exactly perfect. Let's now tap on the stickers icon again to add a couple more stickers to increase the visual impact of the story. Posting your story. We are done customizing this story, so let's take a final look so we're sure it looks fine and dandy. We like it a lot, and we're sure our followers will love it. So now we simply have to tap on Send To. On the following screen, you can select whom you're going to send it to. Here you simply have to tap on Share to Your Story, then tap on Done. And that's it. We encourage you to create one or more stories a day to keep your followers engaged.